DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang, what's good YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. Dan back in the lobby, no man. You don't know where the youth. Yeah man, crazy reactions and crazy bangers pound the egg tappers, isn't it? Today we're there with none other than Armanii. The one named HULU. Dog dropped this about 6 hours ago. We're gonna check it out. See what dog got deal with. Armanii, very talented. Oh, what's going on with me, man? Armanii, talented youth, you know. Yo, gang, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning right now. You see me? Yeah. But Armanii, talented youth. Definitely one of very talented youth now, up and coming new generation. Such song like Fiesta. You don't worry, back it up. You see me I say? The new song called Fiesta or Hard. You see me? Then he got a couple of hits on that bit so far. You see me I say? But yeah, definitely talented. He's up and coming in definitely a space in a dancehall industry. It's just that he's young in the game. He's what he's doing in right now, determined how far I'm gonna take it. But he's talented. That can sing all type of thing and he got lyrics. You see me? But he definitely got the gal them. The gal, you see me, when it comes to gal tune, he definitely have a gal them, a gal segment. You see me? He's like a young Dexter Daps. Who else may I say? You know what I'm saying? Coming up right now. But anyway, we're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer. I jump right now, check Armanii, HULU. Make sure you like and subscribe on it. Don't run to wait 10K no gang. You see me? Let's get it. I'm not like that for visuals and always up to, you know.
Pretty smile, too cute. Watching your body like it's on HULU. Can't believe you got the voodoo. No, new dude, that's true. Mommy got it for real. Everybody supreme. Pretty fierce.
Easy no, dog. I was a different. I tell you, dog, I got the girl them locked.
Smile so sweet, girl, just popped up. Drop it low from a gun. When you want coffee, you want. Got a few things to learn. Sit to a girl in a similar. Down, walk it up from a girl. Get when you want coffee, you want. Sit to a girl in a similar. Sit drop it from a girl. Yeah. Got the money, you know you deserve it. No burn out, but me get working. The pretty privilege is working.
I said no burn out, but me get Birkin. Alright, what is it?
No live for starting and working. Just bring it to me. Yeah, money can't breathe the money. The mask, yeah.
Hey, I like the vibes. I like your vibes, bro. You gotta cater to the ladies sometimes. That one you gotta cater to the. Hey, boy, I'm on to feel like saying my bomba Fresh Prince, you know. Yeah, I'm on to feel like he was a little galley, you know. Hey, that thinking smooth, you know. I want to big up yourself, you. Go on. Yeah, man. Like the vibes, sir. Yeah, man. Gotta sing to the ladies, man. You have to talk to the girl, but the girl feel nice in the dark. Tell them in the years what they want for year in the man. You see me?
Don't take talk, pretty smile, too cute. Watching your body like it's on HULU. Can't believe you got the voodoo. No, new dude, that's true. Mommy got it for real.
Mama, you got it for real. No fakeness, mama. You think genuine. You see? Come
on. Supreme. Pretty fierce to get. Smile so sweet, girl. Just popped up. Drop it low from a gun. Get where you want, coffee, you want.
Yeah, world, mama. I want to tell them I pay for living. I come in.
Got a few things to learn. Sit to a girl in a similar. Down. Walk it up from a girl. Get where you want, coffee, you want. Sit to a girl in a similar. Drop it from a girl.
Drop it for me, mama. Go on.
You know you deserve it. No burn out, but me get
Birkin. You want mama, no burn out, get Birkin, mama. You want the hey, come on.
Privilege is working.
Pretty privilege.
You know parts, just bring it to me. Yeah, money can't breathe the money.
Yeah.
The mask, yeah, from my booby. No baseball, just swing it to me.
If you ask, I'm my booby. You see me take care like Nova Scotia. You're safe with us, mama. Come in.
Put the diamonds on your chest and what you want out. Pretty bitch bad, like get me wine out. Niggas big bad, you know you mine now. Get a big bag, mommy fine now. Flowers and flowers, I give you hours and hours. Fucking a BJ, or fucking showers. Spending it all, I give you comments and comments.
Flowers and flowers and hours and hours. PG. I ain't a shower, mama. Anyway, we there, I go get it.
Body, take that, too rude. Pretty smart, too cute. Watching your body like it's a HULU. Can't believe you got the voodoo. No, no, that's true. Mommy got it for real. Hey, body supreme.
Body supreme, woman. Name brand, no little regular, no, sir.
Pretty face, petite. Smile so sweet, then just walked up. Chop along from a gun. Get what you want, come for your world. Got a few things for you learn. So to a girl, you know some love. Calm down, walk it up for my girl. Get what you want, come for your world. So to a girl, you know some love. She drop it for my girl.
Easy. Bad tune, nah, man. Easy, nah, man. Yeah, man. You're up a damn self, me G. Yeah, man.
To be able to
too rude. Not take talk. She too rude. Yeah, man. She nobody was like a HULU. Yeah, no. No new man, that's true. How am to you? Yeah, man. Give your flowers and hours. Fucking at the PG, fucking at the shower, mama. What you feel like? Eh? Anyway, you there, you get it, man. I am to you as me see you, I just want to put it. Are you? Yeah, man, mama. I am to you. Yeah, man, that one the man. HULU. You see me, that nice little vibe, nice little bounce to it. You see me talking to the ladies, you know, tell the things that I like, you know, no, mama, the body that's supreme, you know, man. A regular day, you know, mama. You know, one of them, you know, can come around, you know, mama. You see me, them pretty smile and everything, you know, mama. You see me, you come past me, the body want, yeah, man, I have talk to them, man, but then feel nice, auntie. Hey, we don't want to get into it, you know. You see me, calm down in the night, you see me, I say gang, but yeah, I know one thing about the one in the comment section. You see me, if you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know, say, the dancing, you know. You see me, I say gang, and let me know what your favorite part was with the beats, lyrics, melody, visuals, the ladies, all that good stuff. And then the ladies was nice in there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, big up them themselves, man. Yeah, man, young youth in that game. Definitely, dog. I'm gonna say, yo, I girl, make tune for no time for no niggas. You see me? I want to think he's like a girl, you know. You see me? I say, look a Fresh Prince, you know, dog. I'm on having his way in the game, bro. You know what I'm saying, dog? I'm making money. You see me? I say, man, buy, you know, making money and live some life. And you know, the girl live that good, man. I want he's a cool. I don't see me push no badness. You see me? I'm just want to live some life and be the cool dude. And you see me? That's what we get from him anyway. You want to be the cool dude, live some life, have some bad girl, just enjoy life and live. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. Big up Armanii. You see me? And every time I want to hear the darkness and the bad man thing and da. You see me? I say? Yeah. Anyway, but Armanii big up at themselves. That tune is definitely a vibe. Me add it to my playlist for the ladies, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, that bad man. Yeah, man, gang. If you know anything more in the comment section, let's chop it up. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.